Okay, so we've got welding wire now, so we can finish off the engine bay. Pick this up from Bunnings. So we're gonna go ahead and finish off the engine bay, and after that we can start sanding it down. Hi team, Michael here from MK's Kitchen. In this episode we're going to sand down all the welds that we did in the engine bay. We'll get it all smooth. It is raining today, so I'll see how much work we can get through. If it starts to piss down, then I'm going to go back inside. So now we've welded up everything that we need to hide. So I should have wore ear muffs. My ears kind of hurt now. Lesson learnt. I got a really annoying ring in my ear. I can't really hear, so there's some pretty bad stuff up on my end. So wear ear muffs next time. Haven't quite finished it yet, but you can see it's like smooth now. So you can see it's pissing down quite a bit. We'll probably head inside or find something else to do inside. So we've got heaps of leftover bolts, nuts, screws, washers. They're just leftover from cars I've built and stripped down. They're rusted and corroded, so we're going to try the white vinegar technique. We're going to chuck them in containers and leave it for a few days and see if it works. We'll just give it a shake. We'll just let it sit for a few days now. So it's been a few days now since we left these screws soaking in vinegar. We'll give it a bit of a shake and then put it in like a drip pan and see how clean they came out. So you can see they came out pretty good, surprisingly. So after cleaning these bolts, I quickly just chucked it in some meths, or you probably could use some petrol or whatever. You're supposed to coat these, I'm pretty sure, otherwise it might just rust again, but we'll give it a go anyways, just leaving it like this. So here's my little cabinet that I bought, and organized all the screws, bolts, nuts, washers here. So we just got some flywheel bolts in here, bit of exhaust studs in here and exhaust bolts. Yeah. So something interesting quite happened. Never got something like this before. Went to the mailbox just before, and I got this little note. It says, "No one wants to hear your shitty car." Obviously they probably didn't like that Evo 5 that left mine after fixing it. I just thought it was funny because there's going to be a shitload of Evos could be coming soon to get worked on. So next what you'll see is Brandon working on the rear guards. Everyone's got different techniques, so whatever you see might not be the same as something else you've seen. Or if he's explaining something, it might be different to what you heard. It's just everyone's got different techniques. Remember, we are doing this in the backyard, so we are limited to tools and space. We're just working with what we've got. Don't forget to check out his page and give it a like. B-R Customworks. Brandon from B-R Customworks. He's going to help me do the rear guards because I'm no panel beater, and I want to make sure it looks reasonably okay once it's done. So here's Brandon bringing some tools from work. So he'll be fixing up these rear guards. You can see here. This is what happens when you put wheels that can't fit. Hey Seamus. So now I'm relaxing. I'm just watching Brandon get to work. This is going to be good. I'll be learning a thing or two from watching him make these guards all straight. What I think he's doing, he's going to be pushing it back in and then pulling it out to where he wants it. Yeah, but see what he does. Yeah, it looks like 12 years old, man. But I ain't one to judge, you know. Shut up. So this is Brandon's truck. Who would put muddies on a two-wheel drive truck? You know, it's just one of those things, eh? Don't judge a book by its cover kind of thing. So while Brandon's getting to work, I thought I'll come here and talk a little bit of smack. So Brandon's been doing a lot of work for me in the past few years. He's been respraying my Libera a few times. Yeah, his work is top notch for someone that looks like 12. He is the real deal. He doesn't know his ABCs 1, 2, 3, but he knows how to sand paint down. It's good of Brandon that he found out I was doing this build. He thought he'll jump on, give me a hand. I thought it was quite cool that he offered. Hopefully this goes both ways. so he gets more work from other people seeing what he can do. So after rolling these guards and we're putting it in place, it's got a bit of, what do you call this?
Well, the steel's stretched.
Oh, the steel's stretched now. So how are you going to fix this bit?
Hopes and dreams.
Motherfucker.
No, so now it's shrunk in.
Yeah.
When I kept pulling it out before, the whole thing would just pop out. So I've shrunk it in.
So you can smack it out.
So it stays there now, and I'll be able to just pull it out bit by bit.
So what we're doing, we're just going to be pulling this out just along the wheel arch bit so it matches the curve on this bumper here. You can probably just see it. So Brennan's just bogged the rear guard. We're just waiting for it to dry. So why do you use that tool?
This is a block, and it's because it's flat, you know?
Nah, explain how you did last time.
I don't know how, like it's flat.
So we're just doing the other side now. You can see, it's been pulled out too much. It's been pulled out when someone tried to roll the guard or flared the guard. So we're going to push this all back in.
Make it look factory. Got that sledgehammer, bro?
Bro, just use your pencil hammer.
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Like this is awkward, bro.
It's alright, man. It's not even recording.
Fuck off.
Nah, straight up. So you can see here, the metal's been stretched. We'll fix that.
Fuck, that's ugly, man.
So we just finished shrinking it, and is it hot?
No.
Look at that. It's not flimsy anymore. Awesome.
All tightened up.
Good work. Yo, are you 18?
Right.
Are you old enough to drink? Fuck, you look like 12.
Bro, go get me a beer.
You want a beer?
Fuck yeah. Enjoy, mate.
So we haven't really finished it, but the sun's going down pretty quickly, so we're gonna leave it at that. We still gotta go over it again, but we're gonna be primering it over so moisture doesn't get into the bog. Do you like to blow?
Sometimes.
Yo, make sure no runs, eh?
You want run?
Bro, you want to see run? I'll bring my dog out. Not quite done yet, but way better than before. Way better. This is Brandon from B-R Customworks. Don't forget to like his page.
Tidy up time.
Yeah, I'm not helping you. Hey, that's my tool, man. Why chuck it out like that? So you can see I haven't finished sanding down all the welds in the engine bay. It's just getting too loud and yeah, neighbours don't really like it. Alright, so the sun's going down. We're going to call it a day. Yeah, pretty much the rear guards are nearly done, which is quite good. Good work, Brendan. What a tiring day. It's been a long day. Yeah. So, not a bad way to end a Sunday. Thanks for all for watching this episode. Stay tuned. We'll be doing something else. We'll probably start the roof next. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you on the next one. Due to coronavirus, Brendan's not allowed inside the house, so he has to take a piss. Bro, why are you pissing on the fence, man?
Not my fence, bro.
What the fuck?
Trying to feed the timber. Bro, are you still videoing me?
Nah,
Oh shit.
nah, straight up.